it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to the right way to do up vegan bacon. Okay, so I got some Light Life Smart Bacon here. Got some premium extra virgin olive oil. You can get this at Dollar Tree for $1. I usually put, I don't know, 2 to 3 tablespoons of the olive oil on there. It should look like that. And I like to, oh, there's my cord. Come on, I want to get a cute shot of this. Okay, I like to just kind of get it all spread on out. Wait for it to heat on up. Okay, and then you sprinkle some salt on top. Flip them on over and do it on the other side. And that is how you do bacon right, okay?